Hey, Sean here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your trade journal. All right, there are a few ways to get to this. So if you click on the stocks page, you can go to the far right. You'll see this little pencil icon. You can click that and you'll go right to the trade journal, which on every stock, it's one of the tabs. And in this case, you can add a note. Let's say you're into taking notes on specific trades you made and providing a reason why. You can go ahead, add a note. We'll select our date. Let's say we'll backdate it. Let's say I bought this stock, looks like Construction Partners. I bought it on the 10th of January. We can add a note like bought this stock. Um, the financials are great. Okay. You can add the note. And then what it does is it creates a timestamp of the share price at that on that specific day. And then if you made money on it since then, so you know if like, hey, did you expect this stock to go up? So you can keep track that way. And then you can actually see the summary, score, and margin of safety right next to each other as well. So over time, if you like, making trade journal entries every week or every month or whatever it is, you can keep track of the progress over time. And then you can pin your favorite entry to the top if you got like 30 of these or however many you want. You can also edit, and then you can, of course, delete those as well. Let's go to another stock real quick. I'll just show you how you navigate to it on the specific stock. We'll go to Apple. This bar up top, go ahead, go all the way to the right, and you'll see Trade Journal. You can see here, I made an entry, looks like July 4th, 2023. And since then, I made some money on it. Nice. So there you go. That's how you use your trade journal.